cat, flamingo,
Like and follow.
buffalo, raccoon, alligator, pigeon, turtle, rabbit, duck, deer, pig, elephant, dog, camel, the kangaroo, an iconic marsupial native to Australia, distinguishes itself with its powerful hind legs, distinctive hopping gait, and unique reproductive strategy. Evolving in the vast Australian landscapes, kangaroos exhibit unparalleled adaptability to arid environments and a remarkable efficiency in energy conservation through their distinctive hopping locomotion. What truly sets kangaroos apart is their method of reproduction, with females carrying and nursing their young, called joeys, in pouches. This distinctive reproductive approach contributes to the kangaroo's survival in challenging ecological conditions, showcasing the marvels of marsupial evolution. Kangaroos embody the resilience and adaptability required to thrive in Australia's diverse habitats, serving as both an emblem of the continent's unique wildlife and a symbol of the innovative strategies that have evolved in the animal kingdom.